Alright guys, so we just had an incredible meal here at this wonderful low-key restaurant in Toronto. And you can't see it, but the restaurant is called Oguz, and it's very hard to say, but it's Oguz, and it's the Uyghur Cuisine. So I probably butchered that name, but hey, this food was incredible, great value for money. We did try the lamb kebab and chicken kebab platter, and then we had the noodle, which is famous over here. So make sure you check out. I'll leave it in my description. I'll tell you where to find this location. It's just outside Toronto, but it's a great place. Love the owners there. They were able to give us a nice little dessert while we're leaving. The customer service is excellent, so please check them out, and we'll see you on our next trip. Alright, so we're about to try these wonderful tea, and these are special tea that's prepared for us here. So let's taste this here. This is the starter of this wonderful menu here at the restaurant. Oh yeah. Hey guys, so this is our two meals that we're having. So we're having the famous noodles here, and then on top of that we're having the famous chicken kebab and lamb kebab on this cotton board. Let me show you what that looks like. Over here you'll find this huge, one thing that I love about this restaurant is the portion. You get a lot of meat for your money, so if you're having a big group, this is probably the best place to come. And this is the chicken kebab, you can see it nice and seasoned. And over here is the lamb kebab, which is my favorite. And then we get some rice, some onions, peppers, roasted tomatoes, bread, some spices that you can put inside, and then some sauce to throw on top of your rice. So we have this here as one of our main dish, and then we have some noodles to go. This is the famous noodles here at the restaurant. So two of the favorite items that I highly recommend, and that goes really nice with the hibiscus tea, which is really sweet and delicious. So let me go ahead and indulge. And this is the chow mein that they prepared. Look at the delicious sesame seed and all the vegetables, and then there's chicken inside. Absolutely delicious. Okay. I like it. Garlic, take some of the. Alright folks, so we're almost done checking out and enjoying this beautiful authentic meal. Trust me, the restaurant name is hard to say, but I think, correct me if I'm wrong, folks, comment on the comment below. I think it's Uyghur is the culture and Osgo is the restaurant name. However, I might have said that wrong, but I'll have a picture of the restaurant outside so you can see the address and the name of the restaurant. And the owner is really nice. They sent us some sweets. Let me show you the sweet that they sent us. So they gave us this here, and we're not really sure what the name of this sweet is, but it's supposed to be a really nice dessert to complement this amazing meal. And that's the meal that we're having right there. So we couldn't finish everything, so we're gonna take that home because we're full. But I must say, highly recommend. This is a hidden gem in Toronto. So you folks come out here and support this restaurant. You'll get a really good value for your money. You get great portion size, inexpensive and great atmosphere, delicious food, and love the attention to detail, the presentation, everything is top notch. So 10 out of 10 for this restaurant. Oh, so it's hard. I thought it was gul jamun. It reminds me of a Guyanese. It reminds me of a Guyanese dessert, the Indian dessert. You know what it is? Jalebi. This reminds me of a jalebi. It tastes like jalebi. It's sweet, but not too sweet. It has a the jalebi flavor.